why Mullen Automotive stock could be about to explode. Hello to you all and welcome back to another video from the Stock Dork, your source for the best stock market trends and investment opportunities across the internet. Today we're taking a closer look at Mullen Automotive, ticker MULN, an electric car manufacturer that's been making waves in the automotive industry. Shares of the company have fallen almost 95% in recent months, leaving investors wondering if this stock has finally found a bottom. If so, there could be a significant chance that Mullen stages an explosive rally higher in the very near future. Let's explore why we think it could. But before we jump into it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the best stock ideas on the internet. What is Mullen Automotive? Mullen is a Southern California-based electric vehicle manufacturer. The company IPO'd on the NASDAQ on November 5, 2021, under the ticker symbol MULN. The IPO came out as David Machiri, the company's CEO, believed that listing Mullen on the exchange would increase the company's visibility and open it to receive meaningful opportunities within the electric vehicle industry. Unfortunately, the car manufacturer has fallen short on its performance, hitting a rough patch over the past year. But Mullen could regain momentum in the coming months, as analysts project that Mullen's stock price could skyrocket by over 7,000% by the end of this year. Why could Mullen stock skyrocket? According to experts' analysis, the share price of Mullen could rise from 32 cents all the way to a whopping $23 per share. If that happens, that means that every $100 you put into Mullen today could turn into almost $10,000. Ambitious and optimistic. Or is it? The company has been recently showing signs of scalable growth in both the short and long term, and analysts are increasingly getting convinced that this will be a good year for Mullen stock. But is it really possible for a company to increase its price so much in such a short period of time? Well, it wouldn't be the first time. Another electric car company stock has risen this much in the past. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? If you had Tesla in mind, then you're right. Elon Musk's pride and joy went public in June 2010 with a price of $17 per share. Its value at the time exceeded analyst expectations, proving just how much investors believed in the company. Since then, Tesla's value has skyrocketed into the stars with SpaceX. If you had invested $10,000 in the early days of Tesla, you would now have close to $1 million. That's an increase of more than 13,000%. But there are more reasons to believe Mullen could eventually pull a Tesla. The company recently partnered with Loop Global to implement electric vehicle charging solutions, including a public DC fast charging network and residential offerings. They are also gearing up to launch 3 commercial products in 2023, after signing with its first US distribution partner, the RMA Group. It's difficult to say if or when Mullen stock could deliver investors profits, but there are many reasons to believe 2023 could be a good one for the EV manufacturer. Do you think Mullen will skyrocket this year, or is the company going bankrupt? Let us know in the comments below. Also, remember to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the best stock ideas on the internet. How could market optimism be beneficial for Mullen shares? Retail investors are gaining optimism as technical data starts to align with investor sentiment. Retail optimism helped the company go from a $437.7 million market cap on December 2022 to a $524.9 million market cap in January. If the company's market capitalization continues to increase, retail investors could see exponential growth in their investments. The momentum could attract even more investor interest, causing the stock to go parabolic. Call options volume on the company stock also overtook the number of put options contracts, an extremely bullish signal. Recent data shows that there were 59.91 thousand call options versus 1.85 thousand put options traded. In other words, more investors are betting on Mullen stock going up than on the stock going down, a possible indicator that the stock could soon take off. Financial institutions are investing in Mullen. Another sign that Mullen shares could soar in 2023 is that financial institutions have increased their long positions. Financial institutions tend to have significant capital at their disposal to carry out the best and most accurate research on companies and sectors. Having interest from institutions could be a good sign that points toward future growth. BlackRock and Vanguard are two of the most important institutions accumulating shares of the stock. However, they are not alone. There are also 171 financial institutions investing in Mullen Automotive. Other major institutional buyers investing in Mullen include well-known smart money firms such as Fidelity, Nationwide Mutual Funds, Morningstar, and Schwab. AMC had a similar institutional interest in 2021, when several financial institutions began investing in AMC Entertainment before the company's stock soared more than 3,000%. Will this be the year Mullen shares explode? Crystal balls aside, it's impossible to accurately predict the future. But if Mullen shares were to fail, it's possible that frightened small investors could sell. The sell-off pressure could jeopardize the future of Mullen Automotive and cause prices to fall even further from where it currently is. Whether the stock will rise or fall is yet to be seen. But the general outlook of the EV industry and the company's efforts to succeed could be looked at as a positive omen for what's to come. The electric vehicle industry is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 17.02% through 2027. This comes as most developed countries are moving to ban the sale of gas vehicles within the next decade. All good reasons to believe the EV industry has brighter days ahead. What do you think about Mullen Automotive? Will Mullen's share price increase dramatically in the coming months? Let me know in the comments below. I read all my comments. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the best stock ideas on the internet.